This is a very pretty stitch. It's so sweet. See, it's some people call it small berries or little berries, so we'll keep little berries. And this is a multiple of 8 stitches plus 1, and then plus 2, 1 for each edge. So I'm using a little bit larger needles than what the yarn calls for. This yarn would call for like a 6, and I'm using a 7 US needles, which is a 4.5 millimeters. So it is a 12 row repeat, and be aware that to use like a plain color, because see, I tried it with a variegated and it really doesn't look all that pretty. So be aware of that. See, the variegated looks pretty on this one, but it really doesn't show, the stitch doesn't show too much with the variegated. Okay, so row number 1. So we are going to knit 1, which is the edge stitch, and then purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, knit 1, and let's repeat that. So purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over and knit 1, and then at the end you end with purl 1 and knit 1. I'm at the end of row 1, so after I knitted my yarn over and knit 1, I am going to purl 1 and knit the last one. Row number 2, I knit 1, and then this is the repetition, knit 1 and purl 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and knit 1. And then you repeat, purl 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, knit 1. And I'll see you at the end. So I'm at the end of row number 2, and I end with knit 1 and knit with the edge 1. Okay, row number 3. We're going to knit 1, purl 1, and the repetition starts right after the knit 1, so purl 1, knit 1, oops, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and now we're going to knit 7 stitches together, 2, 4, 6, 7. And the way we're going to do that is you knit these two together and pass that stitch to your left hand needle. So now you have passed 2, and that would be 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And like that, you don't have to struggle with getting all 7 at once. So now I bring my stitch back because I already knitted that, and I am going to pass my stitch and purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 7 together. 2, 4, 6, 7. So again, I am going to knit those 2 stitches together. This one is already knitted, so let's get some more yarn here, and I will bring that stitch back to my left hand needle. Now I'm going to take all these and pass them over. That would be 3. Hold on to the yarn over because it's important. 4, 5, 6, and 7. Bring your stitch back to your right hand needle. There we go. And that's the way it's done. And I'll see you at the end of the row. So I'm at the end of row number 3, and I am going to purl 1 and knit 1. Row number 4, I knit the first and the last, and this is the repetition. You knit 1 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 1 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 1, purl 5, and I'll see you at the end. And so at the end of row 4, we're going to knit 1 and the edge 1. Row number 5, we knit 1, which is the edge 1, and then the repetition is purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1. So let's do that again. We are going to purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3. Oops, the yarn has a, well, it's okay. Yarn over, knit 1. So you repeat that, purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, and I'll see you at the end. This is the end of row number 5. Purl and knit the last one, and row number 6 is knit 1 and then knit that one and purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 1, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 1, and then you end with purl 1. No, you end with knit 1, knit the last 2. So, yeah, I will see you there anyway. And row number 6 is knit and knit the last one. Row number 7, knit 1, oops, purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, knit 1. And we repeat that. We purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, knit 1. And I'll see you at the end of this row. So we end row number 7 with purl 1 and knit 1, and row number 8 is knit 1, which is the edge, and then knit 1 and purl 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knit 1, purl 9. Knit 1, purl 9. And you end with knit 1 and knit the edge 1. Row number 9, knit 1 and purl 1. And now we're going to slip the 6 next stitches knitwise to the right hand needle. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to knit this one, and all 6 are going to go over that last one. So pinch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now they're all together, leaning to the left. See, that's really nice. So yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. So let's repeat that. We're going to purl 1, and then we're going to slip 6 stitches knitwise. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 1, and then we're going to slip all 6 to that last one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They go nicely there. And now I am going to yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. And you repeat that all the way to the end, and you're going to end with purl 1 and knit 1. Row number 10, I am going to knit 1, knit 1, and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 1 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 5. And I will see you at the end of this row. So I ended row 10 with knit 1 and knit the last one. Row number 11, knit 1, and the repetition is purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, knit 1. So let's do that again. Purl 1, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1. And so you repeat that and you end with purl 1, knit 1. Row number 12, you're going to knit the first one and then knit and purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So knit 1 and purl 7. I think I'm going to make a shawl with this, or the falling leaves. I don't know, but this seems so sweet, or maybe a vest would look very nice with this stitch. So let's see. In any case, thank you very much for watching, and share us with your friends. Let's see, we're going to end this row with knitting the last 2. Okay, share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe and see how pretty that looks. Thank you very much for watching us.